bad texture because it's a very good texture, and then it will.
Wow.
Oh no! Okay, let's clean the table now so we can play peacefully. Oh, it's so stick to her hand. Now it's mine. Have you it like this? Okay, give play with his son. Now you can play with your slime. I can this time. You want this one? Yes. He liked my slow, so strong. She doesn't like my slime, and he, my younger beautiful brother, likes my slime. Wow. He likes it because it's not sticky. Yeah. And nice. See, this is a really pretty color now. It's like super light now, and I really like it. It's type of see, it's like a really pretty color. Now I like the slime too. But now it again stick to my hand. I can do it. Don't do this experiment. It's not. It will stick to your hand. Wow. Let's put a drop of blue this. I want two. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Let's see if it's turned to good. I think the color is still the same. It's not that sticky anymore. That's before. It was like. Let's make a bubble out of these slimes and see. Yes! Let me make a bubble.
Very pandas actually. Very slime.
Wow! I made a big bubble with this slime.
Now I'm making with this one.
No, I don't want to make that. It will stick again to my hands.
Ew!
Take it off your
It's
slime. Okay, let's make the bubble with this slime and see if this is a success. It hurts. Oh wow, it made a bubble. It's a bubbly slime. Let me make this one. You can do this one.
Slime.
Okay.
I don't
Oh,
like
this
this
is
one.
really nice slime.
Oh,
Oh no, it's getting light. It can make the bubble.
wow.
Look, I think this is a butter slime.
I want to try it. It's also a good slime.
This is also a butter type of slime because I see it in a video. Okay. And I really like this slime. I think which video I watched that slime is like this one. You like this one?
Yes.
This one? Let's mix the rest of this white part.
Dancing, dancing.
Oh! Let's do Look at this. Oh, it's not sticky anymore.
Okay.
It's having a very good poke in this slime too, which we will right there. And now we are going to make a swirl. This is like really chunky and I don't know what. Oh, this is like a really big kind of beautiful swirl, please. Like,
I like it.
chunky. And this is like a very. I think I go to watch see a river, and the water color was like this one, and these are so nice slime I have ever made in my life. This was our first time using. Huh? Okay. Now and play this. Let's take a bit of this one. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Time to mix it. Why? Whoa.
Wow, we saw carrots is so good.
Do you like making slime?
Yes.
You enjoy? Yes. Oh, you enjoy? You enjoyed a lot of a bit.
Okay.
So a lot of a bit. A lot. You enjoyed a lot or bits. So today we made 5 slimes. This is a beautiful color slime.
This is a clear slime.
Hello.
This is like a clear
mixed time. Oh, wow, 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 wow. You made the window. Wow, very good. Clapping for him. So I think it's now good slime than before because it's very sticky. And now it's not that sticky.
Hello.
Make it bigger, 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 bigger.
Okay.
I enjoyed a lot today making slime because was my first experience to make the slime.
Yes, I will. I want to.
So these are all the slimes we made. This is a very giant slime.
Yeah,
This is the biggest slime in these slimes.
And then this is a size.
And these are in orders, this big, then medium, then small, then small.
It's a dancing.
Okay, so let's tell all the ingredients. So in this slime, I've used glitter, this clear glue which is mostly empty now, and I have used the crushed orbeez which we can't see right now.
I like it.
Yeah, so that's all. And for this slime, we have used this white glue and activator. Yeah, activator we have also
Can
used.
you give me the activator?
Yeah, this was the activator. This was the activator that we used in all of these slimes to make them. And for this slime, we just used some bit of this slime and some of this slime, and we mixed, and then this slime was, and it's very soft and good texture.
So in this
slime, we have used a white glue and clear glue. This one. Yeah. And there's also some glitter in it. And in this slime, this is the most good slime that we made. It's the best slime we have made over here. This was having the leftover clear form.
Now it's sit in the middle.
And the one spoon of white glue. And
For
in
this slime,
we
we
used
used
this white glue and this activator and a bit 1 drop of green glue. And that's all for the slimes we made. And now let's see our poke test. Okay, let's see a poke test of
I will do this one.
It's a very nice poke. Now this. It's very good poke too. And no, this is a bit sticky when we're poking, right? Oh no, it's being mixed. So this is probably the sticky slime. This is like a good slime.
Yeah.
But it's not stretchy.
It's pretty.
And this one is like medium because we used the clear and the white glue. And
Look everyone. It's a good slime and stretchy slime. Luna. Yes? Tell me.
in the comments below. Okay, so
A bit.
comment down below which slime you like the most. Which slime was the favorite of? This is sticky slime, rubber slime, mixed slime,
I like
blue
this
slime. This is our younger brother's slime, and this. Oh no, she missed it. Let's see how
Let's stretch it. Wow! Everybody look! This is so stretchy. It's color over here now. It's having like a mint color over here. Yeah, it's type of mint. So that's all. So excited to play with this slime. But now the biggest problem is, so now we are gonna make the bubbles and test if they make the bubbles or not. First of all is this slime. And I'm gonna do this. It's a pass because it makes really good bubbles. And now I'm gonna do this slime. It doesn't make bubbles. It does, and let's see this slime. This was our younger brother's slime, which you can see. 2 minutes. Let's see if you can watch in this video. Our younger brother. Oh, it makes bubbles. And the last. No. Okay, I'm doing the bubble test for this one. So far this and this line is a pass for the bubble test. And this line did not. Because this is the slime master slime. That's why this is a special slime. Yeah, this slime is like super rubbery and like, hey, why are you making fun of my slime as the slime master? You put it in a I can't stretch this even. I want to make a bubble. Whoa! Look at that! What a nice bubble! So